materials, but I've got different colours, so I personally designed the camo pattern. It's actually based on my backyard colours and everything. It's cool. And photoshopped it and tweaked it, changed all the colours, and it's just perfect blend. Fingers crossed, but replicating this material was the hard thing.
Really? We were on Gameology.
Yeah,
6 million views on Black. Yeah, no, they're
still the top like 7 videos out of their top 10.
It's just all the news watching. Waste the battery. It's not recording. It's just on. It's also pointed at.
There it goes.
Now it is. But it was pointed at the ceiling.
Well, maybe I want a B-roll of the ceiling.
I want my friend's hosting a game here in October.
Oh, really?
Do like a private thing. It's not quite a swig boat, but I'm gonna try and get my hands on a.
Dude, we were talking last night about swimming across, getting on the roofs, and just getting.
I'm gonna do like a private thing. My friend hosts a game in October here, like on Friday. We're a small group of people where we just play in that flooded area. With like
Dude, that sounds fun.
Yeah.
That sounds fun.
What happened, dude? I want to go check out this.
Is this it?
That was it?
Is that the fob down there?
I mean, it looks like a fucking...
Yeah. Looks like a picnic. It looks like a fucking, like, fucking, the fun day that you must attend. Mandatory fun day down there.
Young man! Hey, young man! Hey, we need the ramp.
Dude,
sorry.
They gotta get their fucking
Young man.
I'm not getting off the LTV until you get the ladder out, alright?
I'm not. It's the rules.
The AMS carts are crazy.
Mandatory fun day down there is what it looks like.
Oh God, yeah, it does.
I thought somebody just said run. Suck a dick. Why aren't you guys running?
Are they really?
I thought I heard somebody say run. Eat fucking dicks. Where are we trying to get to?
Left. Watch for 11.
You want to get up in there?
Roofing structure. Yeah. Get past the yeah. No swinging right? No, that's left. That's our guys.
That's our guys.
Where's their fob?
It's all water tower.
Down at the other end.
Like this way?
Yeah.
This church is admin.
So this is the spot where they talk about this is a maze up here of fucking ladders and doors, but they said it's all open.
I mean, this area here is really defendable. There's a lot of places.
Is that in play though?
What?
That might be
Yeah, all of it is.
That's 10 there.
Looks okay.
So that's 10 there walking
This is definitely
laterally.
Where's the on limits porta potty? we're already at such an advantage because we went this far off the start like this, where if you're just lazy.
They're out there. Holy fuck, right there. Go to the right. 1 o'clock.
Oh shit.
You want to fucking get around? You can get in this bubble or right here.
Hey, this might be fucking better to fall back to this space.
Anyone got Rage MG or something? Come here, Elliot.
Do you think I could? I'm gonna try to get around here.
Hey, get on that wall.
Hold on, coming back, coming back.
Don't stand up, whatever you do, okay? Hey, take that building! Take the high ground! Hey, put fire! Help. Raise the water tower! Zach! Raise the water tower! Zach! Water tower!
Jason, you up? Hey, Jason. Hey, let's take this fucking high ground over here.
Yeah, let's go.
Go. What high ground?
Right here.
The building? All right. We're going to the building. Just the tip. I smashed my fucking testicle so hard.
Hey, Fields to the left.
What's up?
Too many.
Go to the gym. Right there. Like, do it now, like, hurry up.
Run, go. Get to the gym. Go.
Go, just flood straight in there.
I just got one here.
Where'd Jason go?
Running and shit. God.
Hey, we got people in here?
Yeah, we got one. Second story.
Some on the first story as well.
What's that big dude man?
Yeah, let's.
You going in?
Yeah.
You guys see him?
No, he went, initially when we broke, he went right, he went left.
He's over here.
A lot of running.
Yeah. All right, we should move, dude. There's so many bodies here.
Move where? To that building? We're gonna be done.
Good? Yep. Ooh, I'm glad that worked out. I would have looked like an idiot otherwise.
I think Doc went to 30 down from the foot, right?
As they were taking fire.
Hey, you want to shift far left and get around on the other side of this building?
Do it, yeah.
Hey, we're shifting left. Let's get around this side of the building. Hey, you guys have no advantage. We got people over here on the right. Shift deeper.
I got short spurts.
Dwarves, very gone. Very bad over long distances. Very dangerous over short.
Another one. Wait, these guys are all out here. Yeah.
Hey, Doug, you look left. That dude's walking us in.
Hey, ho! Get your fucking machine gun loaded ass over here! Alright! Yeah, man. But we shoot the press, right? What's up? Yeah. Yeah, for sure. It's bonus points.
Just like when you drive it.
Shoot over your head!
Damn it, how the fuck am I out of ammo?
Stay on the pit line! Hey!
Keep wasting ammo.
Right over by the dumpster, taking fire right now. Trying to hold them off from crossing over the big open area.
Good? Yeah. You want to move to that yellow dust?
Sniper there?
He's like trying to shoot this far.
I'm overhopping 3-2 as I'm somewhere near him.
Go left.
Yeah, go left.
Hey, can you sprint to that stump right there?
I shouldn't leave this pause. He's the medic, but one of your riflemen can. We need meat advantage to the boo-boos.
Awesome. Yeah.
They're fighting right there. Let's stuck with
Hey, let's shift back to the right and see if we can link
Well,
up.
they all disappeared. I think they're still down there.
Let's shift back to the right and see if we can link up with fucking Alphonse.
I didn't realize this is a fun area.
Yeah, you got a bunch of trees to lay under.
Okay, hey, we got movement to our fucking 12. See him?
Where?
Behind the bus.
Direction.
Yep. Hey, is that 10? Hey, we got 10 at our 12.
Yeah, pretty sure.
Area defense.
Hey, Mustang. Hey, if you can get elevated.
I can't see him right there, so I think we should leave him.
Dude, where'd he go?
Alright, voice is down. There's dudes right behind that hook. Really? Yeah, around right. You think I should get up right here? There's a staircase right here.
Justin, I'm behind you. Baby wipes?
Huh? Back at the thing.
Push.
Alright, I'll come back.
Surface shit in a building.
I need 5 strong
Pushing right, pushing right. Okay, hey, they're all green up here.
Yeah, I was like, dude, get out of here.
I think he fell back a little bit. Hey, what's your visibility on anybody in the tree line here?
They've got the tree line. We have across the street. But we have guys down the road and to the left, in between them.
What's the distance on our guys?
Our guys?
Yeah. Estimate?
Yeah,
A couple hundred meters?
probably closer than that.
Oh,
200
okay.
meters, I'd say.
Okay.
If I had to guess,
I think we should swing into the woods.
Yeah. Let's go.
I'm good here. I can see.
Okay. How many can you see?
3 or 4.
Hey, we got... Hey, fucking knuckle dick. Why are you stepping on the fucking tin? Hey, we got like 3 or 4 right to our fucking 12.